Hi, it's Lars Olson with Arizona Travels, and interesting little stop. This is in the city of Mesa, East Mesa. It's Buckhorn Spa Hotel travel stop. Nearest streets are Baseline and Vicar Road in East Mesa. This place was originally built in the 30s. Started out as gas station, convenience store, then they struck a hot spring well. Then that brought in guests for hot spring rooms, hotel rooms, spas, etc. It probably hit its peak, I don't know, between the 40s and the 70s, and kind of by 2000, with some of the family passing away, the remaining family left, it kind of fell into disrepair. There's been several different companies that have jumped in to try to take ownership of the area, and the city of Mesa wanted to restore parts of it, but it's now kind of stuck in a state of limbo. There are apparently maybe one or two people still staying here, or they're renting apartments, but basically it's kind of abandoned. Like I said, some of the buildings date back to the 30s and 40s. It's almost a ghost town in the middle of a city, and I believe there's close to 1,000 acres of property interconnected around here. What follows is some video I've taken and a little bit of drone footage. I don't know if they'll restore part of this, turn it into a strip mall or an apartment complex, or just leave it to disintegrate. I have no idea. Nobody seems to know what to do with this. But follows this few minutes of interesting video.